Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AirTag with iPhone using Find My app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your AirTag is ready for activation. Take the AirTag out of its packaging. Remove the plastic tab from the AirTag to activate the battery. Hold the AirTag close to your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. The Find My app should automatically detect the AirTag. A prompt will appear on your screen asking if you want to connect. Tap Connect to start the pairing process. You will be prompted to name your AirTag. Choose a name from the provided list or create a custom name. Once you've selected a name, tap Continue. Your AirTag will then be linked to your Apple ID. When the process is complete, a confirmation message will appear. You can now track your AirTag using the Find My app. To see your AirTag's location, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Select the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. Your AirTag should now be visible in the list of items. Tap on your AirTag to view its current location on the map. If you want to find your AirTag, tap Play Sound. Your AirTag will emit a sound to help you locate it. You are now ready to use your AirTag to keep track of your belongings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.